This image, this picture, is the most important image of the work of Michel and Françoise Gauquelin. And from this picture we have the name of the famous Mars effect, because they studied if it was true that a man or a woman that was born few minutes after rising of Mars, or few minutes after the culmination of Mars in the sky of a particular day, will be in the future very important champion of the sport. It was a law of astrology, and they were able to demonstrate that this law is true. In fact, they collected a great number, thousands of sport champions, and they effectively saw that Mars in their natal charts was after rising or after culmination. It can demonstrate that astrology is something that is to frame in a logic of a physician law of causes and effects, because Mars is strong after the rising and after the culmination and not before. At the same way, we can say that at the summer solstice, about June 21, we have in a day in the North Hemisphere the maximum number of light in a day. Then we would have the maximum temperature of the year at June 21, but it is not, because the maximum temperature we have in the North Hemisphere about the middle of August, because the temperature are summing itself for some weeks and months after the solstice, the summer solstice, and not the day of solstice. Then, personally, now I think that astrology is a phenomenon, is a discipline that we can understand in a logic, in a physical logic of causes and effects.